Welcome once again to Kim's Tech channel. Have you ever wondered how you can connect your Gotv to two separate TV sets? One at the sitting area and the second one maybe in a bedroom. Same house, two TVs, one decoder. I want to show you how easy it is to connect this single Gotv decoder to two separate TV sets. If you find this video helpful, I will ask that you kindly subscribe and leave a comment. Many people have never known that a Gotv decoder has got two separate output for the TV. There is one output here called AV or audio video. This is the old RCA cable. This one here that has 3 jacks on one end and a single jack on one end. This is for the video. This is for the audio, left speaker and audio right speaker. So this is a cable that you can use to get the signal out of your decoder into your first TV. There is another port called the HDMI output port here. On this port here, you can plug in a HDMI cable and you take it to your second TV set. The good thing with HDMI is that they come in different lengths. So if the second TV is far away, you can get a longer cable. We have cables of 10 meters, others of 15 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, and even 50 meters. And nowadays we have a wireless HDMI cable used for a TV that is quite a distance from the decoder. And so I'm going to show you this, which is very easy to do. So you plug the first cable, which is a HDMI cable, on this port here like that, and then you plug in this AV cable on the AV socket here like that. So you have two cables here now which have signals, this and this, the HDMI, this one, and the AV. So I'll take this one to the TV that is nearest to the decoder, and you plug it. You plug it on the AV, that is yellow to yellow, white to white, and red to red. So now we have the first signal into the first TV set using the AV cable. Now we feed the signal from the HDMI to the second TV set. So you only need to set your TV, the second TV set, you set it to HDMI and plug it in. And you can see now we have the two TVs now working directly from this single decoder. This one is using the AV and this one is using the HDMI cable. It is as simple as that. Simple as that, and interestingly, many people don't know, but it is as simple as that. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, I would kindly ask that you like, you subscribe, and you leave a comment. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time.